गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रॉम निगम्बो। आज श्रीलंका में हमारा आखिरी दिन है और सुबह करीब सवा छः साढ़े छः का टाइम हो रहा है। अभी हम निकल पड़े हैं, थोड़ी शुरुआत कर चुके हैं अपनी आज के एक्सप्लोरेशंस के लिए। वी आर ऑन द बीच एंड वी आर वॉकिंग टूवर्ड्स द फिशरमैन कॉलोनी। सन थोड़ी देर पहले अभी आया है, सो इट लुक्स रियली ब्यूटीफुल, नाइस, लवली लास्ट डे, सो वी गोना मेक द मोस्ट ऑफ इट। इसके बाद वी आर ऑफ फॉर अ टूर ऑफ द टाउन, सो that should be interesting too. But for now, we're going to explore the fisherman community and take some nice pictures here. So आज आखिरी दिन है श्रीलंका में एंड वी आर इन दिस टाउन कॉल्ड नेगम्बो विच इज़ ऑन द कोस्ट साइड। कल शाम को हम यहाँ पहुँचे और आज सुबह हमने स्टार्ट किया यहाँ का एक्सप्लोरेशन, टाउन एक्सप्लोरेशन, घूमना फिरना। मेरे साथ अभी समर्पण है एंड देयर इज मीनाक्षी समवेयर देयर and there's Jude sitting in the front and Kura is driving us. Okay, so पहला पड़ाव हमारा होने वाला है चर्च, जो एक यहाँ का ऐतिहासिक चर्च है, बहुत खूबसूरत है, सुना है, and we'll go there and see. Starting the city explorations from an iconic church of Negambo called the Saint Sebastian Church. Let's just walk around here quickly. Prayers going on, so we can't really go inside, but I'll show you what the church looks like. It's a beautiful place. We are now at a very interesting place. This is the fisherman village. यहाँ पे बहुत सारी fish है जिसको अभी सुखाया जा रहा है. So this is the place where they dry all their fish and prepare it for the long season. I've seen a lot of places जहाँ पे fish को dry किया जाता है इंडिया में भी. In fact, Mumbai has a few of them. पर यहाँ थोड़ा सा uniqueness है मुझे लग रहा है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे it's not just small fish but also like pretty large fish which are being dried right now, sliced into thin slices and being dried. So that seems unique. Also, I think I've seen a lot in maybe in Maharashtra and Goa that they dry fish vertically. यहाँ पे सारी fish horizontally flat ground पे dry कर रहे हैं, which is also something unique, I think. I'm not an expert on this, so not quite sure. But थोड़ा घूमते हैं यहाँ पे, देखते हैं कि how is this done. It's a unique thing and the smell is not so bad, so I can actually walk around. In 2019, in a cowardly attack, terrorists attacked bunch of churches and luxury hotels in Sri Lanka and killed 267 people. It was on Easter Day, and the bombings are often known as the Easter Day Massacre. There are a lot of churches in Negombo, and right now we are at our third and final church for the day. This is the St. Mary's Church, and they actually allow photography as well as videos inside the church, which is kind of nice. So we're just gonna walk around here and enjoy the place and take some nice pictures. Next up, we are going for an Ayurvedic massage and some really sattvic Ayurvedic meal. It's gonna be nice. Just got done with the Ayurvedic massage and it was really good. It was a short session, I think about 20 minutes or so, and focused mostly on the back, the shoulders and the neck. And I feel so much more relaxed and hungry. I do wish it was a full body massage, thoda aur relax karne ko milta, but this was nice. And next is sattvic Ayurvedic food. It had been an awesome day so far, which basically means काफ़ी sunny और गर्म था, but it started to rain now. Shopping, हमारा plan था बाहर जाके थोड़ा shopping करने का, मेरा plan था थोड़ा photography करने का in the market, but considering the rain, मुझे लगता है वो संभव नहीं होगा. So we're gonna just chill by the pool while it's raining, chill and yeah, drink some beer maybe. That sounds like a good plan. शाम को there's cocktail and there's a party as well for us, so that's nice. We have to dress up for that. फाइनली आखिरी दिन की आखिरी रात अभी शुरू होके ख़त्म होने की कगार पे है. आई डोंट नो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. आई एम एब्सोल्युटली एग्जॉस्टेड. एट Negambo had a really nice day, but a very tiring one as well. And रात को we had a special party which was arranged for us by the hotel. So we had that, had some nice drinks, and finally अभी समय आ गया सबसे बोरिंग काम करने का, जो है बैग को पैक करना. I will sit, pack my bags and then just sleep. We're starting for the airport at 4 a.m. 4 बजे सुबह निकलना है एयरपोर्ट के लिए. तो थोड़ी सी नींद हो जाए उसके पहले. मैं 11 बजे तक कोशिश करूँगा सोने की. थोड़ी सी नींद हो जाए तो फिर जर्नी थोड़ी अच्छी जाएगी. अभी जाके सो जाते हैं. at the airport now and ready to fly off. End of a journey, but also I know nothing dramatic to say. But I'm gonna talk to you guys inside as well. So. हम लोग अभी एयरपोर्ट पे आ गए और बस बोर्ड करने वाले हैं. ये लड़की मेरे बगल में बैठी अपनी सेल्फी ले रही है. शी इज़ अ सेल्फी क्वीन. एंड देन देयर आर दीस टू pets people. The guy with the big bag is Nivedit. Of course you know him. And there's Perizad behind.
पेरिजाद कौन है? पेरिजाद कौन है?
Khurshid behind.
पेरिजाद कौन है?
Okay, bye. Time to say goodbye to my besties now.
Yes,
My best are Bangalore wale besties.
drone bros.
I'll miss my drone bro.
Yes. And
And the fashionista in the group.
फैशनिस्ट मैं कब फैशनिस्ट बन गई?
We'll fly drones at Bangalore.
Yeah.
I think they're going to jail in Bangalore. That's what is going to happen. Chalo, bye guys. Da, 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 da.